I got a countdown clock. I believe I'm recording. Oh, really?
Jesus Christ.
Well, I guess
Anybody check the gas before they set this up?
I filled it up this morning,
Okay.
right before I started it, gas and oil.
Check it.
Let's see.
Gotta make sure this cable's out of my way. Or my face cut.
The truck. We got the shed, and there's the tree right there.
Yeah, you're good.
And we go up the tree. Hey, you can almost see him there now.
Hold it. Is the snatch block on the choker down below the cut?
What?
Is the snatch block on the choker below the cut? I know you ain't gonna like that, but I gotta know this for sure.
What?
Is the snatch block on the choker below the cut?
Yes.
Doesn't look like it from here. That's the only reason I'm asking. Hang on a second.
Look.
Okay.
Are we good?
We're good. Sorry, man. I just had to make sure.
Hey.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's cutting right at the rope.
Start falling right about now, but it's not wanting to.
Let me guess. Chainsaw was bought because it was a good price.
Chainsaw was like
Bought because it was a good price? Holy shit.
I'm cut! Get me down! I'm cut bad!
I'm calling.
How do we get
Help!
What are you doing here? Come on. Gage.
Help!
I'm calling them.
Oh, get him down!
What am I doing? What am I doing?
Come on!
Someone's pull out. Hang on, buddy.
Give me... Rick! Get the first aid kit! First aid kit!
Yeah, about 3 down right.
Come on, please!
19436 294.
Ah! Too tight! Develop!
Cut it.
Hey, here it comes! Ow! Help!
Lay down, lay down.
Get on it! Get it on it quick!
Hang on, I got a rope.
Lay it on down! Hard! Tie it! Tie it, son of a bitch!
Yes, ma'am. Hang on. I'm trying to tie a tourniquet on here for him. Okay.
It's not tight enough. It's gonna keep bleeding. It needs to be tighter.
Hey, I have medical training. What happened?
I cut my wrist
Yeah.
open.
Yeah, I need an ambulance.
Hey, hold it
And an aid in Covington, Timberlake.
Hey, wait.
All right.
Hello.
We're 19436 southeast
Hey, try to hold still so I can feel your break no pulse, all right?
Okay, okay.
Covington. Okay, that's possible. I'm not sure of the address myself. I've got a neighbor here. Hang on a second. Is this 295th Street?
Fuck, I don't know. Ross! Amber!
Okay, we got a tourniquet on him, and we're putting some. He cut himself with a chainsaw on the wrist.
Amber!
Tell my wife I love her if I don't.
You're good, man. You're going home, man. Aaron, how old are you?
34.
34.
Amber!
All right, hang on one second. Let me go across. I've got the tourniquet on. 19368.
295th?
254.
There's another man on the phone talking to
Can you start to screw back and lean against the tree?
You get the things off my feet.
Listen, we're gonna...
Please, we need somebody up here now.
Hey, Ross? Can you just get off the phone with him?
I'm trying to confirm the street address, right? I know the house number, but the street address. I'm having to do it. Yes. I can't get my bottom one here. Yeah. You got it?
How dark's the blood?
Real dark.
No, it's a bad laceration.
It's
no,
really
it's
bad.
not amputated.
I
We
don't
tied it
know.
off with a tourniquet.
We've got people here attending to him.
And
Yes, it is.
what we're attempting to do at this point is to
He's-
control the bleeding.
He's on the ground.
He is now on the ground. And
No, it's, as far as I can see, it's,
with the tourniquet,
let's
we
just
gotta
say
be
he put himself very badly.
hang on 1 second. Aaron, can you talk?
I can't,
Go ahead.
Hello?
I can't tell. He's
Hi.
moving his arm. Oh,
Can I give you my wife's number?
oh.
Call my wife. Her name's
He's got
Melissa.
his arm, his right arm.
The number is 253.
How bad was it? I couldn't see it.
I never did guess.
It's bad.
Was it a hole or a cut?
3007. It's a hole.
It's a hole?
It cut my main artery. I'm
Okay, okay.
weak.